Welcome back, learners. Today in our MATLAB series, we are going to learn 3 or 4 more commands. If this is your first time here, then be sure to check out our previous videos. You can find the whole playlist link in description, or a card will also appear at the top. So, without further ado, let's start. Let's divide a random number and see its answer. As you can see, the answer which appears is in decimal, and it shows up to 4 decimal digits. Now our first command is format long command. Using this command changes the default format we are in. And now, let's see dividing the same numbers. Now, the answer it shows is up to 15 decimal digits. Let's see some more examples. Now the second command for today is format short e command. Let's take a random number 122.5 and run it and see what happens. As you can see now, it showed up to 4 digits with scientific notations. That is, moving the decimal 2 places. The third command is format long e command. Let's take a random decimal number 6573.8790 and run it to see what happens. What MATLAB did here is provided an answer up to 15 digits, but also used scientific notations to move the decimal 3 places. The last command for today is format short command. It is the default format which MATLAB uses. Using this, the result that comes is up to 4 decimal digits, as you can see here in the example. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Till then, take care and stay tuned for more upcoming content.